Hi, Selena back here at Shoes of Hollywood, coming to do some more reviews for you. These are the Fabulicious, always in the spotlight again. And they are the size 8 BELLE-309. Let's have a look at them. They come in the nice dust bag here. I'll take them out. So I know you guys have been wanting some reviews on the shorter heel. So these are the 3-inch, and I'm actually taking these ones home today. I can't wait. I've got an engagement party to go to. Hopefully they're really easy to walk in, these ones. I'll just make these ones and this just to keep them in their nice shape. Have a look. And they also do come in a really bigger size. These are the size 8, so okay. They always have the nice travel bag in case you don't want to carry the box everywhere. Keep them nice in there. So let's try these ones on now. Okay, and this one. Okay, we'll go for a little walk in them now. Oh, very easy to walk in. Basically run in them. Anyway. Do a little spin. Sit down here to give you a side view of them. So you could wear these shopping or just in the day, wherever you want to go. You could wear them to work, anything. So also don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell in the top right hand corner so you always get notifications of our videos, and leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. And let's take a walk outside. Very hot out here now, Australia, summer. Do a little spin. And we'll head back into the shop now. Take a look on the bottom, they got that nice grip as well. Nice little 3-inch heel. We'll go back inside. Feels so nice in here with the aircon. Okay, we'll go and have a seat. Easy to take off. There we go. Done there. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell in the top right hand corner of the video so you always get notifications of our videos, and leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.